Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Everything Girly. Today I have a haul from the outlet. So today was a beautiful day. I'm in South Jersey and the weather was so beautiful outside. Of course, lately the weather has been kind of crazy, just rainy and just nasty out. So today was beautiful. So we took advantage of the day, and my husband and I, my stepson and my mother-in-law took a trip to Atlantic City. I'm in South Jersey, so it's like literally 45 minutes from, where I live at, so not that far at all. I haven't been to that outlets in a long time. So, just curious to see what sales. They had really good sales. We wanted to go to the Nike outlet, but the line was literally crazy. Of course, if you've been anywhere recently, as far as like outlet wise, they're having a certain amount of people in the store at a time. So the line was around like 4 like barricades, and I'm like, definitely too long of a line. And I had my my stepson with me and my mother-in-law, and I don't want them waiting for that long. So we went to the Puma outlet, Adidas outlet we're going to go to, but the line was crazy as well. And Puma had like a fairly light line, so we got lucky and I found some good deals. I'm glad I went. So I've been definitely loving the Nike outlet store as I started going to the Nike outlet, but I was definitely pleased at what I found today. So they had a lot of sales going on. They had shoes for like $50 or anything, so it was really good sales. So I got these two sneakers. I saw first when I first came in, and I said, let me just look around and see. But the other sneakers that I did like, did they have my size, or just kind of not my style. So I went back to the ones that I saw when we first came in, and they had my size. And I can fit into 8.5, which is crazy. If you've been watching me for a little bit, I had weight loss surgery where I was a size 11.5 even. My feet were chunky and wide. I fit into a 9.5, a 9, and now I fit into actually 8.5 and comfortably. So it's amazing. And I work in the medical field, so I'm constantly on my feet, with patients and everything. So I definitely have to, take care of my feet. So the first ones that I saw, let me just show you. So freaking cute. Look how cute. I love the colors. For me, I love when sneakers have, one solid color is fine, but I'm not like some people are just afraid to have to match that one and that one. For me, I love when a sneaker has more than one color. I could go with matching 1, 2, 3 colors, or I can just go with matching a white or a gray. So I love that you can bring out one color. For me, what I do is I'll just either do one color to bring out, like a shirt to bring out one color, or I'll just wear a solid color. So I think they were so freaking cute. How cute. They're so freaking comfortable, and they remind me definitely of like a retro kind of sneaker, so I love them. And I got them, like I said, 8.5, so very comfortable. They're light. I fell in love with them. And let me just let you know what the name of them is. So these are, this is the X-Ray 2 Square Women's. That's what it says. As you can see in the X-Ray 2 Square Women's. What they are, and they were 8.5. They fit me perfectly. So that was the first pair I saw, and then right next to it were these freaking cuties. So similar style, different colors, but like I said, I love it. I can match either color, or I can just go and match the solid colors. So I love it. Again, I got a size 8.5. So very, very cute. Like I said, they're so light. I love the color in the back too, and you can just kind of match, like I said, whichever color you want to match. So I love them. I fell in love with them. I was going to choose one color, and then I realized that I couldn't because they were both cute. So I got both of them. And these are, same one, X-Ray Women's, and they're white, blue, yellow, and pink. And these are, like I said, 8.5 as well. So the original price is $75. I did not pay that, but I will tell you how much I paid in a second. And then I got 2 shirts to match. I fit them on. I saw on the mannequin they had a perfect shirt to match the pink one, but they only had size small, and I'm not small. I could have squeezed a medium, or large, but yeah, they didn't have them, but that's fine. They were so sweet. They looked in the back for me for one t-shirt. I saw on the mannequin, I took the mannequin size, it was size small, so I couldn't do that, but they looked all over for me, so I really appreciate that. Great customer service there. Like, they were all amazing. So I got this one shirt to go one of the sneakers. I'll bring out the gray in one of the colors. So I got a medium. Very comfortable, very like form-fitting, so I love it. And then I got this shirt to match. It's kind of reminds me, it's like a leopard kind of snakeskin kind of thing. I think it's snakeskin, I'm not sure. It kind of looks like both of them leopard. It says Puma. And I got one medium, one large. I don't think I could find it, but they both fit good with me, so that's good. That's how my size, like a medium and large, so. But very, very comfy and cute. So I got those to match. And let me tell you, so what I did appreciate in the stores, and I found some stores, they actually gave a discount to healthcare workers. It said like military, teachers, and some other ones, and it said healthcare workers. So of course I had my badge on me because, well, I carry my badge. So after like minutes of looking through my phone, I found a selfie of me in my uniform, my badge on, and they took it. So they let my husband use my discount too, and he saved like almost $30-40 on that. And he got 3 pairs of sneakers, 2 for my stepson because his birthday's coming up next month. He got 3 shirts, a pair of shorts, and a hat, and he spent like maybe $200. So it definitely saved him a lot of money too. And then she let me use it, obviously, the discount as well. So for one of the sneakers, I think the last one I showed you, the original price was $75. It went down to $35. The other pair of sneakers, were $75. It went down to $53.99, so that was cool. And then the t-shirts were $25, and they went down to $13.49. So in total, I spent $83.04 with my discount, which is really cool. I mean, you can't go wrong. 2 pairs of sneakers, 2 shirts for around $100 and something. So that was really good. And it tells you how much you saved. I saved $83. So that was cool. I really like that, and I appreciate, someone recognizing, healthcare workers. I mean, there's been other stores that have done the same thing too, but it's just good to kind of like be appreciated and recognized, when you're trying to just buy things and everything. So I really appreciate that. It's a good feeling to know, like I said, you are appreciated, and they appreciate all the hard work you're doing, working with patients, and putting ourselves at risk every day to be around patients and, treat the ones who are sick and everything. So it really felt good. So the next thing I got are a pair of Crocs. So stay tuned. So the second store we went to was Crocs. So I have not been like for them. I didn't really care for them. The kids are now wearing them, for school. My stepdaughter 2 pairs, one like a tie-dye one, and the other one with a pink one, with little giblets and everything. I didn't really care for them. I do have issues with my feet, so where like if I wear shoes for a long time, they kind of hurt my feet, and I'm constantly, walking around, and I work with a very busy doctor, so I'm constantly like on my feet doing, vaccines, EKGs. I'm constantly on the go. So taking care of your feet is definitely important. I did buy a pair of Crocs, but they were like from Burlington. They were like $20, and they didn't have the holes for the gibbets, so they were like kind of not like bootleg ones, but like not official ones. And I wore them actually Friday, and they were really comfortable. So we went to the Crocs store today, and I got my first official pair of Crocs. So they had so much to choose from. Like the other store too, most stores, they only had, I think, 25 people at a time. 25 around there, smaller store, but it was, I like that we had to wait for a little bit, but it was worth the wait. And they had everything. I mean, they had Crocs with flowers on them. They had leopard ones. They had tie-dye. I mean, they had black ones. They had the one with the fur inside. They even had like sandals, which I want to go back for. I mean, they look pretty comfortable. So I just got myself a pair of white, so it kind of matches everything. My scrub uniform is like a royal blue kind of, so it'll match with anything. It has a fur inside, so keep your feet comfortable. And then I have, space for the gibbets, so I got some. So I got E for my name, obviously. And then my husband saw these, and they were so cute. They have Minnie Mouse ones. Like, will always be a fan of like Disney and everything, so I love them. So one's her outfit, the bow, and Minnie. And it's definitely me. I love Disney. So those were $14.99 actually. And then, of course, like the other store, and Crocs, I think, always gave healthcare workers a discount, I think. So I got a discount with them. And then on top of that, I used a coupon as well. So the regular price for these were $49.99, and it came out to $33.74, which is good. The Minnie Mouse thing only took off $1, so it came out $14.99. Regular price came out $13.49, and then the letter E was regular price at $4.49. And I donated to something, so it came out to $53.91, which is not bad. And I saved $18.25, so it wasn't bad. These usually go for like $50-$60, so it was cool that, you know, I definitely got a discount. And I'm excited to wear them, you know, and get more gibbets and kind of, you know, decorate them and make them pretty and everything. So I'm looking forward to wearing these. They're comfortable. So I'm usually a size 9, but I got them in an 8, so they're still comfortable. And yeah, so I'm excited to wear them and try them on. Thank you so much for watching my haul. You know, if you're a healthcare worker or any kind of frontline worker, you know, these stores give discounts. Definitely look into that. Make sure you have a picture of your badge or you're in uniform so they could take it. But thank you so much for watching my video. Just a short haul, just so you watch what I got today. So thank you for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up. Let me know what you liked about the video, what you want to see. And definitely stay tuned for more videos. So thank you so much for watching.